Hello viewers, we are starting this new channel, Practice Coding or Practice Java. So our main intention with this channel is to help you become tech friendly and coding friendly. We have seen a lot of students struggling with solving problems, not able to make strategies, not able to find the technical solution, not able to build their logical thinkings when it comes to coding. So, on this channel, our main intention will be to solve your logical thinking problem. We'll start with the school level problem, the medium level, and the easy level problem, and then we'll slowly move on to the advanced level concepts as well. And if we just talk about the problems, we'll start with the Geeks for Geeks, and with time, we will move on to the other platforms as well. If you just see here, we have so many problems over here. I'll just clear this all. If you just focus on the array problem, we have 584 problems. So we have enough content to come on the channel. What we must ensure is we have to give our best to solve these things. And with each problem, which will come on individual video, will contain the question link so they can directly click on the particular question link, directly get to that particular platform and start solving. With that, see you with the very first video very soon.